Make it look pretty.
Right, before the crash.
Before the...
And that's recorded.
Don't say those words here.
This is after.
Afterwards. Yeah. Pre-flight. That is the rebuild of an Edge 330 from one of our members. It took 42 hours to get it back in that condition. We're going to give it its maiden rebuild.
Flight.
Yeah, it's an E-flite Edge 330. And it's not done. I got to airbrush and do some painting on it. So it'll be almost like new. Okay.
Alright, here we go.
Ready, Marie?
Yeah.
Well, it rolls.
First sign, goodness.
Is she tracking or is she a little bit off?
Tracking straight.
Okay. The motor sound kind of funky.
Sounds alright. It's wanting to climb and.
Well, it doesn't have a nose cone on it. We didn't have a nose cone first.
It's flying. Yeah. Wanting to climb and roll to the right a little bit, but.
Good. You want to give it some trim, you can.
I'm gonna try to keep it close. It's getting.
It's really foggy up there. I'm losing them in the.
It is.
Yeah.
I'm trying
Okay.
to keep it close.
Shane,
But yeah,
I hope
no,
you appreciate this.
It is. It's flying very good. I mean.
Dad did an excellent rebuild.
And Justin did a great maiden.
Yes.
Did Justin?
Justin did a great bait. Hold on, I don't want to lose. I'll get him as soon as I get the plane.
I'm trying to keep it close.
I will lose this plane.
We got heavy fog this morning.
Well, yeah,
I think it's just because it don't have a nose cone on it.
I think so too. And I think that's, wait a second, 13/6 it needs?
13 by 6, yeah.
Yeah, I think I got a 12 by 8
Yeah.
in there.
Oh, okay.
So it's a little bit smaller
Little
prop,
small.
more pitch.
Yeah.
They didn't have a prop for it.
Still floating.
yeah. I mean,
It
it flies like I feel like it should. You know, I didn't fly it before it was wrecked, but I mean, this is
It
about
looks good.
this is about how my foam 3D plane flies. So.
Can you give it a full throttle run? I want to see if there's any vibration on a straight run.
That's good.
That's good.
That's good right there. All right, it's gyro right there. It's good. Gyro's good. All right, well,
You want to try the safe? I know he don't. Well, he
How
doesn't
much-
use safe, but I don't know how.
I'm gonna come in and land though, because I got 20 seconds.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know how long that thing flies for. Nice.
Nice.
Thank you, Justin.
Justin's the best.
There she is.
Say hi to the crowd.
There she is. She flies like a plane again.
It's flying again.
Heck yeah.
It's up so high and there's direct aim. Yeah. Looks like it took off nice.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
I forgot to reset the timer.
We got 4 minutes. It should be
Yeah.
good. I'm gonna go get a little altitude here. Good God, that thing is hard to see. Oh yeah, CG's good right there.
Okay, so about a quarter from the front, he should be good.
Yeah, I like CG's good there.
Do a hover.
48.12.
I really want to see how good the structure is on the back if I beefed it up enough.
It's a little funky in a knife edge, but that could have just been me.
It's like a right wing dropping a little.
Yeah, I could trim it out.
That was a good huh?
Plane hit the ground at Mach 3.
Yeah.
It's doing very good.
Yeah. How's the roll capability?
It's fine.
And that's with low rates I set.
Yeah, it's everything's in high at the moment. So.
Well, my highs are real
Yeah,
low.
yeah. I mean,
The dual rates are set a lot lower.
EFC 14.11 volts.
Man, she disappears in that fog, don't she?
Yeah, it does. I'm zooming in on it to find it.
2 minutes.
I think it needs a little rudder trim. So.
Okay, go ahead. Well, we're going to have to redo it on his radio.
Yeah, I know. I want to try to get him as close as possible here.
I figure when he comes out, I'll let him use my radio and see what it does. Then we'll set up his. Which is looking good. Are you in AS3X or?
Yeah, it's AS3X. This is no gyro. That's no gyro hands off. Wanting to climb and
Okay.
go to the left. Yeah, to the right.
You still dropping the right wing or
Yeah, it's wanting to, or left wing.
left wing?
Put 50% throttle. That's no gyro, so
And when you hit gyro, she's good.
I'm about to flip it back in there.
I think she's still a little nose heavy.
It might be, but
But no,
the
she's.
CG feels good inverted. I got 20 seconds, so I'm coming around.
Then again, maybe when she puts the right prop in the nose cone and
Yeah, that
everything.
could help. Get a little air over the wing.
Yeah. Nice. There you go, Shane. When you get back, your plane's ready.
Flies again.
Excellent.